Hello everyone, welcome again to Joseph IT Technology Entertainer. If you have problem trimming pictures from PSD for web design, then this video will be a great solution to you. As you all know, Photoshop is a heavy software and many users face hang problem during image trimming due to their weak PC configuration. But today I will show you how to get images without trimming in great details. And to be expert, please watch carefully. So I have a PSD, as you can see. I'm just going to open it. The PSD is there. Now, generally we go to image and then trim. Okay, and by this process, often we get our PC hanged. But now what we have to do, we are just going to get those images without trimming and without making our PC hang. Simply click on File and go to Generate, and this image asset option should be checked. This image assets option should be checked. Okay, as you can see, it is not checked. Okay, now if I show you, as you can see, there are so many pictures, icons. If I want to get this picture, this image, then I'm just clicking here and the picture is this. I'm just checking it. Yep, this is. Now what I have to do, I just have to double click on the name, that is layer 2. And when the name appears, tap anything or simply at the last type dot and PNG, as it is a logo. So I'm just going to give it as PNG and enter. Okay, and the folder that I have opened this, I'm back here, and as you can see, an auto folder is created and image is there. If I open it, and this is the image that I just got from there without trimming. Okay, without any trim. And now if I show you further, if I want to take this whole image with background, so what I have to do, suppose this one and this. Okay, those three are my images. I want to get those. So what I have to do, I just have to select those. Okay, you can use Ctrl or Shift to select those. Now simply click on Ctrl and G, it will be a group. Okay, group 10. And now double click on the name and then type dot JPG. So it should be JPG and click on enter. And again go to the folder, and as you can see, the image is there. Okay, and if I show you more, the icons, this is the icon. Okay, so double click on the icon, as it is a PNG image. So what I have to do, PNG and enter. Again go back to the folder and the image is there. Okay, and that was a simple way of getting images from PSD without making your PC hang or any other problem, just by using a simple option of Photoshop. And I hope you really found this video useful and could learn something new. And you'll be glad to know that soon I'm just going to start my new course of web design with PSD to HTML, where I'll be designing PSD to code with using HTML5, CSS3, Bootstrap Pro and jQuery. Hope you all will be with us, and together we will try to learn web designing from basic to advanced. And please hit the like button, share experience, your suggestions on the comment box, and subscribe to the channel of Joseph IT. If you face any problem, then please feel free to ask us on the comment box, and we will try our level best to reply you. Hope to see you in my next video tutorial. Until then, goodbye.